I started a t-shirt campaign. Right now I'm recording with my BlackBerry device, which is the 8 megapixel camera at the back. So I've started a t-shirt campaign. Here's a t-shirt. They come in different colors. Bam, right there. Come up a little closer. Alright. There you go. So I've started a t-shirt campaign. The website made a t-shirt. They are the one printing on the design on it. I just design it, and the little profit that I'm getting from it, I'm going to use that towards buying a camera and other equipments for the camera, so I can have better vlogs and stuff like that. So I can make the vlogs better for all the subscribers and all the people that actually support me and like what I'm doing and encouraging me to continue to do it, because I like to please people. I like to share all of these thoughts and ideas. So I really need to support people. Buy a t-shirt, take a picture in it, send it to me, let me know so I support it. There's 18 t-shirt left. Go ahead and grab one. The total for the t-shirt is $25.50. That includes the t-shirt and shipping. Alright people, so I would love if everyone go and grab those t-shirts. That would be really helpful to me. I really want to enhance the vlogs. I really want to make them better. But yeah, thanks again everybody. Like, subscribe and share. Send a friend over to the vlogs then. JVLOGS people, represent. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Coming to you straight out of the city. But yeah, welcome again. Glad you guys are here watching it. I have some good news to tell you. But yeah, so what I'll be doing on this vlog is pretty much getting off something off my mind. I think a lot of people can relate to this one. I hope you guys enjoy it. So boom, let me jump into it now. So yeah, this is kind of serious. Have you ever people been in a relationship where you feel like it's the parents controlling the relationship at all times? Like the decision making, the parent of your partner telling your partner what to do, or telling your partner what they need or what they think is best for the relationship. Or let me simplify it then. You're with your partner, right? And then their parent don't accept or acknowledge you, right? They're going to tell their daughter that, alright, I want you to marry a policeman, I want you to marry a lawyer, I want you to marry an accountant, I want you to marry this and that, right? Them tell them daughter, who they want to marry, who they want their daughter to marry, right? But check it out, people. Think about it. Who is in the relationship? Is it the parent and the person, or is it the daughter and you, or the son and you? So that's my problem. The problem is, like, parents get in their kids' relationship too much, right? And that is unfair, because a parent is going to tell their kids to, oh, you should marry a policeman, you should marry a doctor, you should marry, such and such. Yes, they want good for their children, right? They want their children to marry somebody successful, somebody that is established. But who says that they can't marry a conductor, right? Or they can't marry a man driver, a bus, or married a shopkeeper, or married, that's a normal walk foot man, right? People, the problem I'm having with this is simple. People fall in love with people for who they are, and most time for not what they have or what they can give the person. They love that person because of how the person treat them. They love that person because of what they see in that person, right? So you tell your daughter go marry that doctor, go marry that lawyer. And when you check it out, that lawyer and that doctor, they are cheap, and them have a bag of that woman are abusive, right? They beat them, box, kick and thump and all of that, right? That's an unhealthy relationship. Nobody wants to be in an unhealthy relationship, right? So I'm saying, why parents have to always want to tell their child what to do, right? You're telling your child, oh, do this and do that. To me, that's nonsense. To me, you can guide your child and say to your child, here what? You know, I really want you to be happy. You know, when you grow up, I really want you to marry somebody that you love. You know, marry somebody and them can build a relationship. Not saying that parents don't sit down and talk to their kids like that. But don't tell your daughter that, oh, I want you to marry this and this person or else I won't accept them. No, you can't do that. Because what your daughter or son see in that individual, you're not going to see it, right? You're not the one in the relationship. They are. And sometimes your kids and that person might be coming from primary school, high school, whatever it is, you know, college, you know. So you as a parent have to understand, so you have to accept what your daughter wants. You have to accept the person your daughter or son is with, right? And move right along. Because you shouldn't be the one to pick and choose who your children be with or marry, right? You should give them your blessing and acknowledge that they are happy with that person, whether them black, white, Chinese, whatever it is. You should be, as a parent, you should be that support to your child, to know that when your child come to you and say, hey mommy or hey daddy, this is the type of person I like, this is the personality, right? They want you to accept them, accept their partner, accept their decision, right? It's as simple as that. So that's one of the things I'm gonna really like when parents jump in a people relationship, them kids relationship, and try to tell them kids, marry that type of person here. And the next thing to it, that with this situation, sometimes the parents getting a certain benefit, right? Sometimes the parents getting certain benefit, like they might get a little money on the side, they're getting the help. So they're going to tell most time it's a daughter, them tell that, oh, you have to marry this person because you don't know what might happen if you don't marry them. And you have a gold spoon in your mouth. Marry the person because they're going to be there to help you. So whatever the person do, you need to uphold it. No, that's wrong. Madness. Me not support that. Not because a man a give you something means say the man good to you. That come like say you buy the people and pitney. Right? Don't sell your people. Don't sell yourself. I'm dead serious when it come on to this. I prefer to talk to a poor man and you the man struggle with the man, right? More than take up a rich man and he might kick and thump and box you. He want to do all kind of sexual activity to you. Whether he want urinate pan you or some kind of nastiness. And people who know them things here go on in a real life, right? So, let me kind of speak about the English now because I have viewers from all over the world now. Well, no. I have viewers from a few countries outside of Jamaica. So I need to speak the English now, so bear with me. But yeah. So, don't marry somebody because of what they can give to you. Marry somebody because you love them. And where you want, or where you see yourself with them in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Marry somebody because you want to help them to be better, because they can help you to be better. It's not all about the material things, right? So don't marry somebody because the parents say, oh, marry them, we're poor and him can't help you. No, him have fame riches already. You need to be independent, right? Mostly females is something. You need to be independent. You need to find your foundation, build it, right? And know it's alright, you're going in a relationship with something. So the man can't take liberty of you or take advantage of you. Say you're a poor girl and him start talk, oh, remember me take you out of the gutter, me take you out of the gully, or me take you out of this. No. Nobody wants that. That is not a healthy relationship. Alright? So my advice, try to be independent. Try to tell your parents, say, hear what? I need to be happy. And money alone can't make me happy. Alright? So parents, my advice, step aside. leave on the children them alone. Stop influence them for talk to people. We're wealthy already. Tell them to find a little boyfriend or a girlfriend them age and build something with them from scratch. Until both of them can successful and you there to support them. Alright, so stop the madness, me not like it, and stop telling people for marry doctor. They marry who them want marry. Them can't marry the walk foot man or them can't marry the madman. And can go in at the club and him can marry one of the girl in on the pool and turn her into a wife. Stop telling no pitney who to be with. Stop interfere when on a children relationship. Alright? That's my message to you. People, if you don't like this, like, subscribe and share. Please subscribe. Like it, share. Thanks very much, everything.